some of these serrano peppers off because there's too many of them on here. So I'm going to cut some of them off, some of these bigger ones. So that it can focus its energy on some other stuff. Let's find some more bigger ones. Let's see if I can set this over here where you can see it, and then I can use both of my hands. Okay. And another big one. Got a bunch of peppers. It's big enough. I'll have them go a little bit longer. But to self-pollinate and get a lot of peppers, you just... Oh, that fell off. But hopefully you can see. Like if you have one, you can just do it like this, and that will self-pollinate it, and then it'll just grow these little pepper buds. So I got a lot more coming everywhere. I'm gonna try to pollinate every day, but this is what I got in here. And then this cherry, I'm going to pull those off, bring them in the house so the birds won't get them. And we still have a few small ones coming. But I'm going to go ahead and take off these. I'm going to put them in the windowsill in the house. But we still have a few more. That one's split. And this is a determinate one, so it's not really going to get big, which I didn't realize. So I'm going to go get me a new one. I think he got a bug down there trying to eat into it. Let me get him out of there. Can y'all see him? A little worm. Just in case. Check your roots. This is just a gold tomato, and it's a determinate as well, so it ain't get big. And I haven't seen any flowers on it, and God knows when. And the little tomatoes that's on here are turning red, so I'll get them in a few days. But I don't know. I have to get another tomato plant. But that's it. I don't have anything else to get off of here. Nothing's grown. Just got some sage. My ginger has popped out. And I got some more starters. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's a weed. It's supposed to be eggplant, but it don't look like eggplant. So, I don't know. But everything is like small, and then they just stop growing. So I don't know what's going on. I need to put that spinach in a pot and keep it on the porch because it's going to flower. And then I got some summer squash here, another green bean that I'm going to put in the bed, and then I tried some spaghetti squash. So, and that's kale here. And this is supposed to be basil, but I don't think it is. I do have a little basil growing in my tomato tree. That's my avocado tree. These are the onions. They still not doing much. These are the bunch of onions. They came up. And then that is the garlic. I mean ginger. And this says it's parsley, but it doesn't look like it to me. Oh yes it does. It is. I can see it now. So that's parsley. And that meant flour. So I can get some seeds for next year, although I don't need them. And then I'm going to put them in the trash bin. I had frogs in there, but I don't know. They're still in there. There was two. Oh, let's see. I think he's still in there. But anyway, this is my compost thing. Bin that I keep food scraps in. So these are my potatoes. The potatoes have come up. I have one. Oh, that's actually 3. I thought that was 2, but it's 3, 4, 5. In this little 5-pound bucket, I think I put 3 potatoes in there. I'm gonna add some more dirt and heal it up. They take about 3 months to make some potatoes, so they won't be really big. I don't think a 5-gallon pot, but we'll see. The yellow coconut there is finally blooming. Same here. Looks like something might be eating it. This needs some water. I'll water them up good tonight. That's from rain damage. It looks thirsty. So move that one in the struggle. And this is my sweet potatoes slips. I was trying to grow them in water and they wouldn't grow. So I put them in dirt, and now they're growing faster. So I pour that one up and put that in a pot to grow some sweet potatoes. Hopefully by the 5th of July. Last year I think I planted them on July 11th. So try to get them in at the same time. My marigold got turned into a tree. It got beetles on it. I'd rather them eat that than my flowers. I replanted that. There was 2 of them together, and I moved it yesterday in the middle of the day, and it had a heat stroke. Those are my 2 cucumbers that are finally doing something. And those are my 2 great beans that are finally doing something. They just stayed like dwarfs forever, and now I gave them some blood meal and they're finally starting to act like they're happy. And that is my green kale, and I don't know what it's gonna do, but this is my zucchini. It only has one that is ready, and I need to get it off of here because it's sucking the life out. Everything else is not going. You can see it got stuff down there, but I think it's like three of them down there. But they're not really growing because this is sucking the life out of everything. But I check it every day, and I just sprayed it, and I don't have any bugs. So far so good. So I'm going to cut that one off and try not to cut the plant. If I Get it, man. It's a big boy. It's huge. So, like that. Another marigold tree. And that should allow those other ones that are down there to grow. That one isn't pollinated, so they might not grow. That little one. And yeah, I see that little one. It looks like it's dying out. Right there. It might. We'll keep a check on it. More potatoes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this bucket as well. And that's healing up right there, so maybe another one might come up and put some more dirt in this one. And then last but not least, we have carrots. And they're not doing much. That is it. This is it for my harvest for today. I don't have much. I guess I can get some of this lettuce. It's about to bolt. Fell over from the rain. The rest of that. So, and everything off of there. Like it's full. And that is it for my garden tour, my harvest for today. Thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.